Okay, still on our lesson on change of subject formula. We have this example, and the example is to make B the subject of the formula in this equation. A is equal to 1 over 2BH. We have to make B the subject of the formula. So the equation is A is equal to 1 over 2BH. A is equal to 1 over 2BH. So the first thing I want to do, we have to make B the subject of the formula. I want to bring this part that is having B to this side of the equation and bring this side to and bring A to this side. So this will be 1 all over 2 BH is equal to A. So this expression and this expression, they are the same because of the sign of equality. This is equal to this. The same way this is equal to this. So they are equal. So having done this, the next thing you want to do is to split this expression so that it will make sense to you. So 1 all over 2 BH is the same thing as 1 all over 2 times B times H. And if you multiply this, is equal to A. If you multiply this, it will be 1 times B times H. 1 times B will be what? Will be B. B times H will be BH. So this will be 1 times B times H is BH over 2. So this and these are actually the same. 1 times B is B. B times H is BH. So it's equal to A. So my A is the same thing as A all over 1 because A divided by 1 will still give me A. So what I will do here is just to cross multiply. So if I cross multiply, what I will have will be BH times 1 is still BH. So this is BH is equal to 2 times A is 2A. So to make this B stand alone, what I will do is to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of what? Of B, and that is H. The coefficient of B is that alphabet. Is that alphabet that is attached to what? To B, and that is what? H. So this will be BH over H is equal to 2A over H. And the reason I'm doing this is to make this B stand alone. So H will cancel out H. So my B will be equal to 2A over H. This is my answer to this question. It's very easy and straightforward. Let's look at another example. If 3x plus y is equal to d, express s in terms of y and d. So what I'm asked here is to express s in terms of y and d is to make s the subject of the formula. How do I make s the subject of the formula? 3s plus y cannot be added. 3s plus y, they are unlike terms. This is an alphabet, this is a different alphabet, this is a different alphabet than the number, so they are not alike. So what I will do is to take this y to the other side of the equation. So if I move this plus y to the other side of the equation, it will become minus y. So this will be 3x is equal to d minus y. I moved this plus y to the other side of the equation. As I move it, it becomes minus. As it crosses this sign of equality, it will become what? Minus. So this will be 3s is equal to d minus y. The next thing I will do is to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, which is 3. The coefficient of x is that number that is attached to x, and that is 3. So my expression will now be 3x divided by 3 is equal to d minus y divided by 3. So this 3 will cancel out this 3. My x will be left alone. So my x will be equal to d minus y over 3. This is my answer to this question. It is very straightforward and simple as well. Let's look at another example. So I have this example, make u the subject of the formula below. So the formula is 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. So this is what I have got. 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. Make u the subject of the formula. So I'm to make u the subject of the formula. So since u is on this side of the equation, I would want to take it to this side. So this would be 1 all over u plus 1 over v is equal to 1 over f. These two equations are the same. 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. 1 over u plus 1 over v is equal to 1 over f. They are the same. It's like I turned the equation. Took this part to this side and took this part to this side. So they're equal. So the next thing I would want to do, I have two fractions here. This is 1 over u, this is a fraction. This is another 1 over v, this is a fraction. So what I would do is to solve it in a fraction way. Is to solve it fractionally. So how do I solve this fraction? I will have to look for the LCM of u and what? Of v. So I'll come here and draw my little factorization table. This is u, this is v. So what can go? U can go. U divided by u will be what? 1. V divided by u cannot. So I'll drop down the v. What can go? V can go. This will be 1. V divided by v is 1. So my LCM will be equal to u times v. And that will be equal to what? uv. So my LCM for this will be uv. So uv divided by u will be what? V. uv divided by u. uv divided by u. U cancel u. So it will give me v. uv divided by u will be v. So the v times 1 will be v plus uv divided by v is what? uv divided by v. V will cancel out v, right? So I'll be left with u. So uv divided by v is u. U times 1 is u, is equal to 1 over f. So with this, I have a single fraction here. So what I will do next is to cross multiply this expression. Is to cross multiply it. So if I cross multiply it, what I'm going to get is what? So this will be uv times 1 will be what? uv. uv times 1 is uv, is equal to f times v plus u is what? So this will be f open bracket v plus u. So I will use this f to multiply everything inside, right? So this will be uv is equal to f times v is what? fv. F times u is plus what? fu. So what I will do next is to take this fu to the other side of the equation, because we want to make u the subject of the formula, right? So I will take this plus fu to the other side. So when this plus fu crosses to the other side, it will become what? Minus fu. So this will be uv minus fu is equal to fv. So what I will do here is to factorize this expression. What is common here? U is common. U is here, U is here. So I'll bring out the U. So this will be U open bracket V minus what? F. This times this, U times V will give me UV. U times minus F will give me minus FU. So this and this are the same. So is equal to FV, which is what I have here. So the next thing I will do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of U. The coefficient of U is that alphabet that is attached to U, and that is what? V minus F. It's a single entity. So this will be U open bracket V minus F over V minus F is equal to FV over what? V minus what? F. So this will cancel out this. So I will be left with what? With U. So my U will be equal to FV over V minus F. So this is my answer to this question. It's very simple and also very straightforward. So what you will do for me is to look at this video again and again if you don't understand it, and solve the following questions for me.